Howdy there, folks. This is Luke Charles Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your little RV specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, my sisters call me Charlie, and my 23 nieces and nephews call me Lukey Poo. But you can call me anytime at 440 Ohio RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. Follow that link for pricing and more information. Once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full-service dealer offering warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 440 Ohio RVs. Again, that's 440 OHIO RVS. For sale today, we have a brand new Mod Bug Journey by Modern Buggy RV. Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this brand new Mod Buggy van by Modern Buggy. As usual, I'm going to start in the front, work my way towards the rear. I'm going to do my best to give you a good idea of the overall floor plan of this brand new unit. Here at Kuhn Truck and RV, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. We're going to go through a full demo with you at the time of sale. Make sure you are fully comfortable with your new motorhome and ready to hit the highway for your new adventures. Got about 73 inches of headroom here in the main part of the coach. Got an air conditioner here in the front. You can control with these knobs right on the unit itself. You can have that blow straight down at you or shut this little flapper here. It's going to push the air out the sides. Easily accessible entryway. This is to control the solar panel on the roof. Got an AC plug-in, control for the fantastic fan that's back in the back area where you'd sleep. Light switch and a switch for the water pump. Got this nice storage box up here. You can access it from the outside through a little door here. Put some fishing poles in there. You can use this to access it as well. This is the chassis battery disconnect. Turn this off to disconnect the chassis battery to prevent parasitic draw. Nice size shower here. This is a good size for a Class B camper van. Got a 12 volt or DC powered fridge freezer. Small freezer up top. Easily accessible shower. There's no black tank on this unit, so you can take this portable cassette style toilet along with you and use that for taking care of business. Nice easily accessible shower though, lots of room. Shut this screen door here. We keep the water inside. Fresh water tank is down here. It's nice you can actually see the tank so you can see how much water is in it if you want to check the level and know for sure. Got some of our water connections there. That's our water pump. Microwave, that's going to run on the shore power plug-in only. Couple drawers here. Got some storage back beneath the bed here. Kind of hard to see in there. That goes back quite a ways. Storage beneath the sink. Countertop here, made out of butcher's block. Nice work surface here. Induction cooktop. You can pull this out of this hole here. If you want to take that and use that outside the camper, you can unplug that and do just that. AC plugs here. Good for your coffee pot, air fryer, whatever you got going on here in the motorhome. Lots of overhead storage. Got a seating area. Go ahead and flip this out. Great as a mobile workstation. There's an AC plug-in right here on the front side of this seat. It's going to allow you to plug in your laptop or whatever devices that you have with you that you want to charge. Got nice lights here throughout this camper van. Keeps things nice and bright. Got lots of big windows in the back. Screen portion over here and over here. If you turn on the fantastic fan, it's going to suck that cool outside air in. It's going to make you nice and cool here while you're in the bed, either relaxing or going to sleep. If you open up these rear doors, great views out the back here from the bed area. If you want to sit on the bed, dangle your feet out the back at a scenic overlook. This is a nice sleeping area. Again, that goes pretty far back. Over there, it's kind of hard to see, but you can really tuck some boots in there. There's some other goodies in both of these storage cubbies. What do you call Chewbacca when he has chocolate in his fur? A chocolate chip Wookiee. Got AC power, USB and USB-C on both sides here in the sleeping area. Makes that really convenient to use this spot for sitting plug it in your phone, plug it in your laptop, whatever you want to do here when you have a rainy day in the camper van and you're not able to enjoy the great outdoors. Hard surface flooring makes it easier to keep clean. Got some storage up top. Storage up top here in the cabin area. Something unique and different here. Get these while they last. Also, I told you incorrectly earlier, this remote is not for the fantastic fan in the back. So that's operated just on the unit itself. This remote is actually for the power awning. Let us know what you think of these in the comments below. Check these out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Up here in the cabin area, we have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt, cruise. Hard surface flooring makes it easier to keep clean. Cloth upholstery. Got lots of different connectivity options up here to connect your phone. Android Auto, Sirius XM ready, Bluetooth, USB and USB-C chargers. We have a standard 12-volt DC there. Glove box, places to tuck your goodies while you're driving. This also has a backup camera built in that's going to show the screen right here on the dash. Alrighty, folks, we're going to go around the outside of this brand new Mod Bug van by Modern Buggy. This camper van measures just under 20 feet bumper to bumper with a 12-foot power awning. This motorhome is built on a Ram 2500 ProMaster chassis. Nice, easily accessible entryway. Flip this out here to gain some table space when you're outside of the motorhome. Got our solar charge controller down here by the floor. This storage spot here is perfect for your fishing rods. You can also access that right here. This is where everything's going to drain out of this one here on the gray tank. So there's just one tank. You're going to open that up. Everything's going to come out here. City water, 2 AC plug-ins so you can plug things in beneath the awning. Fuse panel here with our AC breakers and DC fuses. This will disconnect the coach battery system to prevent parasitic draw. The coach battery is in here. This is a 2000 watt inverter. Going to control that here. The light switch turns the light on and off back here. Lots of storage space here to put your goodies for your adventure. I really like how this opens up. I can see this being beautiful if you back the van up to a scenic overlook, open up the rear doors, and you can really see out and enjoy the atmosphere. This is the shore power plug-in. It's a 30 amp service. Solar up top, air conditioner. Fuel fill is in here. Check out these Mod Bug vans at Kuhn Truck and RV, truckandrv.com. The best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Evie. Happy birthday to you. It's our birthday, Evie. Say happy birthday.